let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Jillian. Hi, nice to meet you. So as you can probably tell by the title, this is a try-on haul or a collective haul. I don't really know what I'm gonna title this yet, but it's a haul. All of these things I've gotten within the last like month or so, and they've just been sitting in my closet for the longest time. I haven't been wanting to wear everything because I don't want to like wash it and then forget that it's like part of the haul. So that's why most of this I haven't worn yet, and it's just been sitting there and it's been killing me. I thought this was gonna be a way bigger haul because I have ordered a lot of things recently, but a lot of things are still in the mail and I don't have yet, so I can't show you guys that yet, but I thought I'd just show you guys what I do have. So let's start with what I'm drinking right now. This is almond milk mixed with a powder, and this is the Vital Proteins Collagen Beauty Greens in the flavor coconut vanilla. So I actually got this in the mail like literally less than an hour ago. I ordered this from Amazon, and this was actually recommended by Lauren Elizabeth. She makes videos here on YouTube as well, and I love her videos. I love her Instagram, and she has a blog and she's just so cute. But she recommended this on her Instagram story, and she said that this was making her hair grow like crazy. So I was like, I need that because my hair has like seriously needed some help ever since I gave birth. It's a very common thing for your hair to fall out after you give birth, and I used to have like very like long actually curly hair. It wasn't like this. I feel like my hair is like spongy now. Like, I don't know, it's just weird. So I thought I'd give this a try. I didn't read the reviews before purchasing it, which was kind of stupid on my part because I read them today before I got it in the mail, and most of them were good, but a lot of them were like, oh, this tastes disgusting, it tastes like grass, and I was like, oh no, this is actually kind of pricey. But yeah, so as soon as I got here, I was like, I need to try it. I opened it, and I actually just have it here just with cold almond milk and some ice, and it's not bad at all. I was expecting much worse. It's not bad at all. I have had some green powders that taste like grass, and this does smell pretty strong when you open it, but it tastes pretty good. It tastes like a cold matcha latte. I'm sure you could have it warm too. I don't know. I would try that. Next thing I'll show you is this shirt. This is a Tommy Hilfiger shirt, and it's actually kind of long on me. Actually, this is gonna be a try-on haul, so I'm just gonna show you the clip. I ordered this in a size medium, and the website, like, in the title it says it's an oversized shirt, so I should have gotten a small. I don't think they had any smalls actually. I think that's why I got a medium, but it's super comfortable. I love it. It's such good quality. I just wish that I would have gotten a size smaller, like my size. I'm usually a small, but I got it in a medium because I wanted it to be oversized, but then the title already says it's oversized, so. Also from Urban Outfitters, I got these earrings. These are star hoops, and they're gold, and you can clearly see that. I don't know how to describe things, but they're cute, super cute. I was eyeing these for the longest time, but they're $20, and I was like, I don't know if I want to spend that much on Urban Outfitters earrings, but I did it because I was eyeing them for a long time. So I'm gonna show you the rest of the clothes that I ordered, and on the screen I'm gonna list what store it's from. Everything will also be linked in the description, but since I put everything in the closet, none of it is like in order, so I'm just gonna list it on the screen as I go. No, I will not. Everything will be linked in the description. Yeah, I'm lazy. I got this shirt. It says Blondie on it. I don't actually listen to Blondie, so don't come for me, but it's a really cute shirt, and I wore it in a vlog recently. I got this white crop top, super basic and super cute. I do have to say that when I wear this with a regular bra, it like, I don't know, since it's like this, like cinched right here, it like goes in between my boobs when I wear a regular bra, so I had to wear this with a sports bra. But yeah, I thought you guys should know in case you do have like bigger boobies. Okay. Next, Coca-Cola shirt. It says Cherry Coke, which is the only soda that I drink. I don't like soda, but I love Cherry Coke. I got this sand-colored oversized boyfriend t-shirt, and this is in a size small, and it is oversized. It is super oversized, so I would say get this true to size. But I like this a lot because it's oversized, but it's not like super baggy at the sides, which I hate, and I'll show you one that I got that was also oversized. This one. huge. This is just a plain black shirt, but I'm pretty sure on the website it said that it was like a boyfriend oversized t-shirt just like the other one, except this one is one size, so it only comes in one size. But I didn't think it would be this huge. I would probably only wear this to sleep because I feel like this swallows me. I don't know, I guess some people can pull this off, but it's super baggy at the sides, so I don't like that. But it's comfortable. I have this crop top from Pretty Little Thing. It's so cute. I just don't know what bra to wear this with because when I raise my hands, like, you can see like everything, so I would probably have to wear this with a sports bra as well. But I love it. I don't own a crop top like this. Next, I got this shirt. I have always wanted a shirt like this, and usually when I see these, they're like really expensive, but this is from Pretty Little Thing, and I can't remember how much it was, but I know Pretty Little Thing's prices are super affordable. I got this Brandy Melville shirt from Pacsun the other day, and I already wore it. It just has these stripes on the side. Super simple. Everything that I got is simple. I don't think I have any like pieces that are like out there just because my style is pretty basic. I got these pants with stripes going down. I don't remember picking these, and these are a size 2, which I'm not a size 2 from Pretty Little Thing or Missguided, so I don't know why I got these a size 2 because that's way too small for me. I'm usually a 4 and up. I like to talk about my size because I feel like when I watch videos, I want to know what people's sizes are just so I know like what to order. I feel like I can look at somebody, I feel like I can look at somebody and be like, oh, they're probably around my size, and just reference that. It helps me a lot to know people's sizes. So yeah, so I'm not a size 2. Definitely not a size 2. But I'll squeeze into them, it's okay. I got this little bandeau from the Madison Beer collaboration with Missguided, and it just says, as she pleases. I have not tried this on, so I don't know how it's gonna fit, but I hope it fits. It's really cute. This is one of those pieces that it's like a little bit out of my comfort zone because I don't know what I would wear this with, and I usually don't wear just plain bandeaus just because, again, I have a bigger chest area and I'm really like self-conscious about it, so we'll see. I got these pants from Free People, which is a kind of pricier store, but I tried these on and I love them so much. I love them because they have this going down the middle. This is a size 26 if you wanted to know, and I thought I'd make the purchase. I thought I'd splurge a little bit because I do wear black pants very often, so yeah, so I got those. We got this USA crop top here, very 4th of July-ish, but also I'll wear this whenever I want. I love it. And here we have this Champion crop top. I don't have any Champion clothes, and this is so like such good quality. It's like kind of heavy, which I love. You can't really go wrong with Champion. And here we have another crop top. This one is yellow. I'm loving the color yellow. I think everybody's loving the color yellow recently. This one just says 1990, and it's really cropped, super cropped. And that's pretty much it for the clothes. I got some wildflower cases. I'm so excited. These are my first wildflower cases. I got the red leopard one, which I haven't used yet, and the one that's currently on my phone is the Claudia Saluski. I hope I'm saying that right. She's also a YouTuber. Oh my god. But this is a collaboration with her and Wildflower, and I think this is super cute. These are my 2 moods. And then last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys my Air Force Ones, which I feel like I've had these for the longest time. I feel like I've had these for months because I've worn them so much, but I've only really had them for like 2 or 3 weeks, and I love them. They go with absolutely everything. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just realized I probably looked at the viewfinder this entire time. I can't. I'm not gonna refilm this. I've already tried so many times. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna finish my green drinkity drink. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.